How to log out from Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this video I will show you guys how you can log out from the Messenger. So basically there isn't any direct method in order to log out from Messenger, but there is a way we can log out from Messenger. So let's get it started. Firstly, open the settings of your device and search for the option of apps. Now click on it and again press on manage apps. Now search for the Messenger application on the search bar. Once you find the Messenger application, tap on it and now you will be appeared on the app info of Messenger. Here in the screen you can see the option of storage. Click on it. Again at the bottom of the screen you can see the option of clear data. Click on it. Again click on the clear all data option. Finally confirm the deleting process by clicking on OK. And with this your Messenger account will be logged out from the Messenger application. So that's it for the video. I hope you understood how you can log out from Messenger. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay updated. Bye bye.